If you've been feeling tired, I have a remedy for you. And it comes from the school of Kundalini Yoga and meditation. Super simple, really effective, and a way to connect to your inner internal resources and pull a little bit more energy into those resources using the breath. Really amazing technique and something that you can use to bring vitality, energy. Maybe you've been feeling a little tired or fatigued. Maybe you're run down. Maybe you just are close to burnout and you want to prevent that from happening. Here is a gorgeous little practice. And if you do it once in a while, it's great. But if you can do it consistently for a set amount of time, let's say 40 days, what an incredible benefit you'll receive. So join me now. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Welcome to YogaVision Online. Here's where we explore all things Kundalini Yoga, from the physical practice to the meditation, the breath work, and everything else, including history and philosophy, and. Lots of fun stuff here. So let's begin with a few moments to pause and to reflect, to think about all the circumstances that landed us right here in front of this video. And if you're new, welcome. And if you've been around for a while, thank you for helping us grow and helping yourself. Sitting in a tall, straight position. So this could be on a chair, on your bed, on the floor, whatever works best for you and how you want to sit in your practice. We're going to go right to the practice now. Take a deep inhale and bring your palms together above your head. And then exhale your hands down. One more time, inhale. Bring your hands together and bring your hands in front of your heart space. The left hand is closest to the body and the right hand comes over top. And here you want to grab onto your right thumb with your left hand and gently cup your hands together. So here is my left thumb. It's sitting on top, very comfortable, very relaxed. And here we're going to take a 3-part breath. So we're going to take an inhale in 3 sniffs. So we're breaking it's called segmented breathing, and we're breaking the inhalation into 3 sniffs. It sounds like this. And then we're going to exhale in 1 complete exhalation. Okay, super simple. 3 sniffs. And then exhale. 1 slow exhale. Now, at the same time, remember we have this mudra, which is very comforting and sitting right at the heart space. With each sniff, you're going to tense your hands together. So a little grip. So imagine though you're gripping onto your hands with each sniff. Looks like this. I'm going to make it really obvious. And then on your exhalation, keep the hands together, but simply exhale. Okay. So think about this as if the breath is pulsing your heart. So this is symbolically your heart. The breath is you're squeezing your hands in time with the 3 strokes. Okay, we're here for a few minutes. So get yourself comfortable and relaxed. Relax your shoulders and let's begin. Focus in between the eyebrows and slightly above. Let's do this. Inhale very deeply. And exhale completely. Good. And relax. Give yourself a little shake here. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And hold the breath. Inhale. Squeeze yourself very tightly now. And very powerfully through the mouth, let go. Exhale. Inhale very deeply and 2 more times. Squeeze your entire body. Squeeze, tense, and hold. Cannon breath. Inhale very deeply. This one ends a little bit differently now. And then softly release your body, release the breath. Relaxing into your experience, taking a moment here to sit and reflect. Did you gain some more clarity? Did a new idea arise? Do you just feel refreshed and renewed? All is amazing. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. By the way, drop a comment below. How did you feel? Let's complete our practice. Long Sat, short name, Nam. Truth is my name. Truth is why I'm here. Inhale. Sat. Nam. Grounding yourself, fingers to the forehead or forehead to the ground, and relaxing. Amazing. There we go. Bringing back some energy, some vitality, some creativity, some ways to deal with fatigue. And these are ancient, time tested. Good for you for sitting down and giving yourself that opportunity. Lots of love to you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. You can find lots of different ways for us to work together in the link in my bio. I highly recommend, if you've been here for a while and exploring the energy systems and what all of this means and the practice itself, think about Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training. It is a powerful way to bring all of these teachings to yourself, to give yourself the confidence to go and teach others, and for personal development. So, whether you want to be a teacher or you just want to know more, all of that is available to you. Yoga, Kundalini Yoga Training. And that's it for today. Lots of love to you. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. I'll see you very soon.